Everyone, I bought this gas refiller from eBay and just going to give it a go. I've got a barbecue bottle here, over here. It's a bit hard with the camera. It's upside down. You're supposed to invert that. It's a 10 kilo bottle. I've got a Primus butane propane mix. It's 230 grams. So I'll just get the scales, turn that on. If the bugger will go on for me. There we go. This is empty. I'll just tar that. Okay, that's zero. Turn this gas bottle on. That's on. And I think the idea is screw that onto here. Put that back on. Hang on, it's going to be, okay, it's 55 grams heavier because it's got the contraption on the top. So I'll just tar that again. Okay, so that's 0 grams. And I want to try and get that up to 230, or it's close to 230. But you do that by, just move this camera a little bit so you can see better. Okay, so now supposedly turn that, and so it's on 0. Here we go, turn this. Okay, I can see gas running along the tube. I can hear it going in. 20, 34, 40, 45, 50, 60, 70, 80 grams. Okay, it's just hit 90. Seems like it's slowing down a little bit. 95, 96, 97, 98, 100. Okay, 101, 102, so it's slowed down a little bit. I'll just move it down onto the ground and see if that makes any difference. Okay, I can see the bubbles going in. So it's still filling up, so I'll drop this down into here. I think that's flowing better. 111, 112, almost 120. Yep, just hit 120 then. Can's not cold, can just feels, I'll give it a bit of a shake, turn it upside down. 145, nearly 145. $150. Dog doesn't like this gas sound. Probably hear it barking in the back. Give it a bit of a shake. I have no idea what shaking it is doing, but it feels like it's taking a bit more in when I do that. So 164, 165. Okay, so it's pretty much slowed down there at 100. It's 166. So I'll turn this off now, so you can see the bubbles and the liquid gas in this tube. Well, that feels pretty full, very full. Okay, so this is again a Primus. It's a butane propane mix, or it was, and now I've put straight barbecue gas into it. Right now I'm going to go into the shed and try it on a Bix burner and see what the flame looks like. See you in a little while. Okay, just going to write on here 5th the 9th 2020 filled so I don't get mucked up. Alright, so this one I have painted. This is just another Primus that I've painted black. Put the cap on there so I don't lose my ink. So this is the little Bix burner for running steam engines. Getting the boiler up to boil. Okay. Put a little bit of copper to hold that. Turn the light off. Let's see what. So this is a normal Primus tank with the butane propane mix. I just want to see what the flame's like on that. Okay, so there's the normal blue flame. So that's my normal setup with a Bix burner to go under a boiler, and that's the normal Primus tank. Alright, turn the light on. Gas off, undo that. So that's the tank that I've just filled up from the barbecue gas. Take the little valve off. Put the valve on here. Interesting to see what the flame looks like. Hopefully it's just as good and just the same. Okay. Okay, the can fills. Turn it up a little bit. Jumping around a little bit. I don't know if that's just the can equalising temperature with the outside air, but it's a bit high. Well, there we go. Don't know why it's jumping up and down for, but okay, that's running out. Jumped up again. I'm going to turn that down and try and tune that down a bit more. Okay, that's down low. You can see it's just doing that little. See, it just jumped up then. I don't know why that is. I don't know if that's because of the different gas, or if it's just the actual Primus can is just equalising, like because I've filled it rapidly from the barbecue bottle. If anyone's got any answers, it'd be great. If anyone's got any suggestions that what I'm doing is inherently dangerous, that would be appreciated as well, because I am far from a gas expert. But what I'm trying to do is these little bottles down here in Australia, I think this one is, I don't know, about $10, and the bigger Primus one's about that high at $17. So it's would work out, instead of paying $17 for one of these, by using the barbecue gas to fill it up, it would work out, I don't know, say roughly $1. So $1 to $17, that's a big saving. And you can burn through a lot of these bottles in a day if you're boiling water all day long for a steam engine. See, that's still jumping up now. Just try to turn that down a little bit more. So that's the nice little blue flames. They're just dancing around on top of the ceramic of the Bix burner. Just don't understand why about every 30 seconds it'll just jump up like that. I'll just wait another, see if it does it again. There's some heat coming off that, I can tell you. See, just did it again. Well, I don't know if that's normal, because I don't think that does that with the normal mix. But there you are. And again, I know I've asked on the forum about the difference between butane and propane. I sort of understand it and follow it a little bit for different temperatures, but Australia is inherently a hot place, so I think the barbecue gas will work. So it just jumped up again. Anyway, there you have it.